Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Frankie Soto Music. In this video, I will be talking about the top 5 drinks for vocalists. Number 1 and the most important drink that I will be mentioning is water. Water will keep your entire body hydrated, and it will also keep the moisture and elasticity of your vocal cords in tip-top shape. 8 cups of water are recommended, which is the equivalent of 4 water bottles. I suggest, from personal experience, that you should bring it up to 6 water bottles 48 hours before the performance and on the day of. Another tip that I would suggest would be to bring your own room temperature water bottle to your show. Never drink cold water, since it will tense up your throat muscles and will make it extremely difficult to sing the higher notes. Drink number 2 is ginger tea with cayenne pepper. Ginger has many anti-inflammatory agents that will reduce any inflammation in your throat muscles. So what you will be doing by adding cayenne pepper to your ginger tea is that you will be drinking a natural pain reliever, which is especially good if you have a sore throat. I wouldn't suggest to drink it every day because it might dry out your throat, but 2 to 3 times a week will be perfect. I will be making a video on how to make ginger tea with cayenne pepper in the future. Tip number 3 is not an actual drink, but it fits under the same category. It's a saltwater gargle. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a cup of water and half a teaspoon of salt. You're going to put it in the microwave, gargle, and spit out. This will reduce swelling in the throat, and it will also help to flush out toxins and bacteria. I do this on the day of the performance and also the day before, but you will have to figure out what works for you. Drink number 4 is Throwcote tea. Throwcote tea has licorice root, marshmallow root, and it also has slippery elm, which will be extremely comforting for your throat and will have it feeling at its best. Tip number 5 is honey. You can add it to any of the teas that I mentioned, either the Throwcote tea or the ginger tea. You can also drink it by itself. Honey, like ginger, also has many anti-inflammatory properties, which is the reason why I like to use it right before a show. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Those are the 5 top drinks that I like to use to keep my vocals in shape. If you guys have something that helps you guys out, let me know in the comments below. I will also be making a video of the top 5 bad drinks for singers. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.